O muna, ayun. Congrats ulit ang aking best friend. Since high school, grade 8. Nag-umay. Kami ka dyan? Hindi umay. Napos ko na sa simbahan. Umay kami dyan since grade 8. Hasta nag-college kami. Mag-classmate na kami. Hasta naka-ball kami kang amang license. Dengan man, mungkin nga daw, dengan kami sa isang langanan pasar. Hasta nga nakaobra kami sa Manila. Ilan? Sana, kasal ka na. Pero may message ako kay Luis. Bugo-bugo lang yung message. Ikaw ang nagwagi, pero ako ang nauna. Sobra close naman ni Philip kanya pandemic. Online school wala ati signal to sa balayan na sa uma. Siguro na may sobra close naman, doon nga kami maligo sa kasiyar. Mao na experience ni Luis wala siguro. Sorry ka na lang. Good evening everyone. I am honored to standing here as the best man today. I've known Philip Joshua for many years, and I can honestly say that he's one of my best people I've ever met. He's kind, funny, and always there for his friend. Philip and Luis, I want to say how happy I am for both of you. You are truly meant to be together, and grateful to have witnessed, and I'm grateful to have witnessed your love story unfold. Congrats sila nilang dalawa. Thank you. Okay! Cheers! Cheers po. Yes, tagay.